Hey folks, we're live in Port Mansfield. Wearing a long sleeve shirt might have been in order today. Temperatures have been staying right around 70 all day long, and that's been the case across almost the entire valley. We've seen light showers, mostly light stuff, not much more than that, but I think as we go through the next 24 hours, it's probably going to seem a little more consistent with rain coming back in later tonight during the daytime tomorrow. Temperatures are going to stay cool. Let's look at radar first and we'll go from there, see where things stand right now. And so far, most of the moisture right now is offshore from where we're standing here in Port Mansfield, probably about 40 miles out into the Gulf of Mexico, and we could see those clouds out there before the sunset a little bit ago. There's also a little bit of light rain up in the upper valley. Take a look at Starr County, western Hidalgo County, but most of that fading away as we speak. So the rest of the evening should be quiet, but a little disturbance is going to come through later tonight during the daytime tomorrow, and that could bring the rain chance back up once again. Let's watch Future Track. It shows all the rain offshore right now, but watch as we go through the next few hours. It shows a little bit of that rain moving in, but then during the daytime tomorrow, it gets a little more widespread, and I don't want to say heavy, but a little bit heavier during the daytime tomorrow, so you may wake up to showers, maybe a wet commute in the morning. Then as the day goes on, the showers are going to stick around, and I think we'll deal with rain a good part of the day tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, I think it quiets down again as that little disturbance moves away. The clouds don't go away, but the rain kind of tapers off again, and you get back to widely separated showers again by the time we get into Friday and Saturday. So we don't expect a whole lot of activity then, but we don't expect skies to clear at all anytime soon. Instead, clouds are going to stick around, and temperatures are going to stay cool. So your best chance of rain is tomorrow at 60%, and rainy may be the best word to describe it. This will be one of those days, it's kind of like yesterday morning was, where it's just overcast and light rain much of the day. I don't expect heavy stuff, but of course if it rains on you for 4 or 5 hours, that could begin to add up. We go to 40% on Friday and 30% by the time we get to the daytime on Saturday. Let's talk temperatures now. 71 degrees in Raymondville, same thing here in Port Mansfield at this hour. Only in the 60s across Hidalgo County, a little bit warmer at the beach, about 72 right now at South Padre Island. Now, the next few days, the normal for this time of year is 82. We've been above normal for so long, it's weird to see this graphic with all those numbers on the bottom way below normal like that. You're looking at 10 degrees below average tomorrow at 72, and then 75 on Friday, and still only 73 degrees on Saturday. Here's SatRat across Texas, shows what's going on across the state, and notice the clouds. There's about 3 layers of clouds over portions of the valley right now. Now, we can see a little bit of clear skies off in the kind of northwestern quadrant from where I'm standing right now, and got about a half moon up above us right now, so there are some breaks in the clouds, but as this disturbance moves through, I think our rain chances are going to go back up. That upper level low that's sitting back to the west near El Paso, it's going to send little ripples around in that arrow, that flow that's coming out of Mexico. It's going to send some ripples along that flow over the next 24 hours, and one of those ripples comes across. That's an upper air disturbance, and that brings our rain chance up for tomorrow. I think that disturbance moves on out after tomorrow, and I think Friday, again, you're looking at more just cloudy skies with a less active day, maybe a shower or two, but really nothing really active. And you go all the way through the rest of the forecast period, you can see how that low kind of meanders around. Eventually it lifts out. By next week, I think we're back to sunshine again. There it goes, but it's going to take until next week before we see any sunshine. Clouds should dominate the weekend. Hey, if you're headed to the coast, let's check out what's going on at the coast. Well, first let's look at how much rain we're talking about. We'll see that first. Future track rainfall. And here you go. How much rain are we looking at? Well, the coastal section could see more than anybody else tomorrow. You see mostly light stuff every place else, but as you go through the rest of the day tomorrow, at least everybody picks up something. The coast may see the heaviest rain of the whole bunch. Speaking of the coast, now we'll go to the coast and see what's going on. We have a small craft advisory through tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the mid-70s, UV index is moderate, current risk is moderate as well. The surf temperatures dropped into the upper 70s at 79 degrees. Winds out of the northeast most of the day tomorrow. Here are the tides. There are 2. Seas a little up, 5 to 7 feet, a moderate chop on the bay. The bay temperature 79. So tonight across the valley, here's what we expect. Skies should stay mostly cloudy with some rain, but I think the best chance is later tonight and then during the daytime tomorrow. Your forecast for tomorrow, just a lot of clouds and probably some light rain on and off much of the day, no warmer than about 72 degrees. So the 7-day forecast, best chance of rains tomorrow, but it doesn't go completely away. We don't see sunshine probably until Monday. At this point next week, looks like the sunshine returns, and with that, temperatures warm back up. Here at Port Mansfield, really a comfortable evening. A light breeze, but again, if you're going to be out this evening, maybe a light jacket's in order. Temperatures mostly in the upper 60s. That's it. Live from Port Mansfield, Tim Smith, Channel 5 News at 6.